Hello, welcome to my channel. So this is how to make soy milk with coconut and dates. That is making soy milk without sugar. So if this is what you are interested in, then you are in the right place. Please like, subscribe and comment, please. All right, let's go. So right now I'm going to remove the dirt, the sand, the stones and the rest. After that, I'm going to wash it exactly how you would wash your beans for moi moi. So I'm going to remove the bag. I'm going to show you all the whole processes I'm going to follow in making this nutritious, delicious, yummy soy milk with coconut and dates. All right, let's go. So this is the soybeans after washing it, and this is my chaff. So right now I'm going to soak it overnight. So this is our soybeans after soaking it over the night. Yes, it has doubled in size, and I am going to blend it now. So cover your pot with your chiffon clothes, just as exactly how I'm doing now. Then this is my blended soybeans. Just put it over. So you add water. So right now, so after removing the chaff, this is what we got. This is what the soy milk look like. So I am going to transfer it now to heat source to heat it up. Is already on the heat. Our soy milk is already on the heat source cooking. So you are going to be stirring it at interval and be removing the foam on top. If not, it's going to overflow. You see these foams, you are going to be removing them and also be stirring them at interval so that your soy milk does not overflow. So once you start seeing this thing that is like clothes, you see what I'm bringing out, then you know that your soy milk is ready, is done now. Once you're able to see this kind of something from it, then that will be a sign that your soy milk is ready. So I'm going to remove it now, then remove it from the heat source. So right now my soy milk is ready. So this is our date paste. Yes, that we are going to be using as a sweetener for this our soy milk. Remember, I told you that we are not going to use sugar. So this is our sweetener that we are going to use today. So how did I get this date paste? I used the dry one, the dry date, then soaked it overnight and blend it. That's how I got this date paste. Then this is my coconut milk. Yes, it's just very simple to prepare. You get your coconut, break it, shred it and blend it. Then use your chiffon cloth. You use this type of cloth, sieve out the chaff, and you will get your coconut milk. So that's how I got this coconut milk, which we are going to be using. We are going to be adding to our soy milk. And I've already told you how I got this my date paste, which will serve as a sweetener for us in our soy milk. So if you have the fresh one, you can just go ahead and blend it and get your paste. But if you are using a dry one, you must soak it. After soaking it, then you remove the seed, please. Remove the seed before soaking it. Then after soaking it for like 6 hours or overnight, then you blend it to paste and use as your sugar. So right now I'm going to add it to our soy milk and stir very well. This is our sugar. It's going to serve as a sweetener for us. So you stir it very well. Stir it very well. Then I'm going to add my coconut milk into our soy milk. I'm going to stir it very well too. So after stirring it, I will still sieve it for the last time. Yes, I'm going to still use this my chiffon cloth to sieve it for the last time, because we don't want any type of particle when we are drinking our soy milk. So this is our soy milk, which I have already mixed with my dates and my coconut milk. So I just fetched small portion from the pot inside this plate because I just want to sieve small. I just want to show you how to do the final sieving, so that you don't have to get any form of particle when you are taking your soy milk. So this is our final soy milk. This is what it looks like. You can see, so this is what we sieved out from the soy milk. So you can see. And this one here is yet to be sieved. So I have not sieved it. This one is already what the chaff we got from our final sieving. And this is our soy milk, sweetened with dates and coconut milk. So now that we have done our final sieving, so what you need to do is just to simply add it into your bottles and put inside the fridge to chill. So thank you for watching till this very moment. Please, if this is your first time of coming to this my channel, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you and God bless you.